So hello everyone and welcome along to today's screencast. You're learning at the moment how we can write an XSD or an XML schema file to govern what sort of elements and what sort of attributes we can write in an XML document. And at this stage you're used to taking simple documents like this and writing a simple XSD file to govern them. Today I'm going to show you a quick tool which is free and available online, that can check whether or not a given XML document validates against a given XSD file. So today we're going to be looking at this simple message.xml, which contains a very simple text message with a sender and a receiver. So that's in the to and from fields. And we're going to be validating that against the message.xsd file, which contains the rules or what elements are allowed in the document and what order must they appear in. There's a very good site online which is called freeformatter.com, and it actually contains quite a number of online tools for many integrative internet technologies. The one that we're interested in today is the XML validator tool. This takes an XML file as input and an XSD file as input, and it tells us then whether or not the XML file we've put in obeys in full the rules specified in the XSD. Let's try it here with our message.xml file. So we take our message, we copy it, and we paste it into the XML input box. Similarly, we take our XSD file, copy it, and paste it into the XSD input box. And hopefully when we hit validate XML, we should get a green validation message that tells us that the document is fully valid. Let's now try to insert an element perhaps that we haven't specified in the rulebook. So we're going to insert an element called subject. But subject, as you'll see, has no corresponding rule in the XSD file. So when we validate this, we should get an error. And indeed we do. Although it's quite cryptic, it tells us that invalid content was found starting with the element called subject. Instead, it was expecting a different element at this point, and it's suggesting text was the one it expected. So we can fix that, and our document will validate again. As you're learning to write XSD, it's always good to check it as you go along, and this tool provides you with a very quick and easy way to do it without having to fire up an IDE and set up some Java code. So please make full use of it, and your XSD will always come out very well. Thank you.